In this video, I'll show you how to boot into UEFI BIOS firmware settings directly from Windows. Sometimes, the screen moves too quickly to enter UEFI BIOS settings using the usual keys, but there are alternative methods. You can try to use the common keys used by different manufacturers. The first and easiest way is to hold the Shift key while restarting your Windows machine. You can also do this from the lock screen by holding Shift and selecting Restart. The second method is accessing UEFI BIOS through command prompt. Run this command and press Enter. Or use this command to restart the computer immediately without a prompt. Lastly, you can access UEFI BIOS through Windows settings. Go to the Advanced Startup option and click the Restart Now button. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.